Hello everyone and welcome to Lot of Tech once again. So this is the Harmonix 230 wireless sports headset from Portronics, and this was recently sent out to me for review. So as you can see that they come in this kind of a grey colored box, and 20 minutes of charge on these headset will give you 4 hours of playback time. You get some features listed on one side and then you get the Harmonix branding on the other side. And when you look at the back, you will find that it comes with a built-in microphone, 7 hours of runtime, latest Bluetooth 5.0. They come with a 1 year warranty, and the price on the box is around 1999, but if you order it from their website, the price is right now 9999, and you get an additional 15% discount if you use the links and the code which is given in the description box. So the headset comes with a very standard packaging, nothing too fancy going on here. The headset is kept in this kind of a black color mold. Then you get 2 extra pair of ear tips with these. You get a user manual which has all the features listed at the back. You should definitely go through this manual once. Then you get a normal USB to a micro USB cable for charging, and also this Portronics warranty card. So just in case you have any issues with the product, you can definitely register for the warranty. So when you will take this headset in your hand, the first thing you will notice that it has a very lightweight design, and also this design is very ergonomic. So you can already see that this headset has some amount of curve to it so that it can easily rest on your shoulder, and also it has some kind of soft rubber silicone coating on it which is very satisfying to touch. Technically they are calling it as liquid silicone. Apart from that, these earbuds are also magnetic, so that's why they are putting this headset in the sports category, because when you are wearing this headset around your neck and you're not using it, so you can easily stick these earbuds together. Apart from that, the quality of plastic that is provided here at the ends is quite average. Now definitely you can't expect something very high end at this particular price point, but during my usage I felt that this all things are tied up well together, and you don't hear any sort of creaking noises when you are actually pressing and using the plastic and the buttons on it. The left and right markings are not provided anywhere on the headset, neither on the neckband nor on the earbuds, but right side is the one which has your volume controls and also your power button, and left side is the one which has Portronics branding on it. Apart from that, you get a micro USB port on the right side through which you can charge these headset. If you want to have an idea about the size of the earbuds, so on the left we have the Sony EX255 AB, on the right we have the RHA MA390. So these earbuds are slightly smaller than the Sony EX255 and bigger than the RHA MA390, but the main idea here is that these earbuds are extremely small and compact, and they are going to give you a very comfortable fit. So overall, in terms of design, build quality, size, and the kind of material used, I want to say that these earbuds actually check on each and every point. The only downside which I could find in the design was that they are using a micro USB cable instead of a type C, but that is something you can ignore at this particular price point. Now talking about the features and connectivity, so first of all you need to turn the Bluetooth on your phone, and then you need to press the power button for 3 seconds on the headset. A blue LED will start blinking and your headset will get connected to your phone in a seamless way. Now if you are in any music player application, then you can use the power button on the headset to play and pause the track. If you want to control the volume, then you can do that from the headset as well. And if you want to go to the next track, then press the volume up button for around 2 seconds, and same thing goes with the volume down button. So if you press that for around 2 seconds, you can come back to the previous track. The features do not end up here, because you can actually connect this particular headset to 2 devices at the same time. So as you can see that on the right I have my OnePlus 5T, and I'm pairing my headset with OnePlus 5T, and then I'll try to pair the same with my Samsung Galaxy S10. So now you can see that the connection has been established in both OnePlus 5T as well as the Galaxy S10. Now what you need to understand here is that although 2 devices are connected, but at a particular time you can hear songs from one particular device, and if you want to use the other one, then first of all you need to pause the song on the first one and then use the volume up or down button on the second one so that it becomes a master. Now this is really very convenient, because if you're someone who is working from home and you want to take calls from your laptop, maybe some kind of a WhatsApp call from your laptop and a normal call on your phone, then you don't need to switch between 2 different headsets. You can use the same headset to switch between the calls which are coming on your laptop as well as on your phone. So really a very convenient feature. So now let's say that you are planning to buy a wireless earphone and you're confused between if you want to buy these kind of neckbands or you want to buy these kind of wired wireless neckbands, or you're planning to buy a TWS. So first of all, every design has its own pros and cons. So I've made a dedicated video on the best design for a wireless earphone. Make sure to check out from this particular card. Now coming on to the quality of microphone. So first of all, this headset comes with a CBC 8.0 noise reduction feature, which means that it's going to suppress all the background noise which is in your environment so that the person on the other side can hear your voice clearly. So this is the kind of audio that the person on the other side will be able to hear from the quality from this particular microphone. Do let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. If we talk about the audio quality, so first of all, the headset has a lot of bass and boom to it. So if you're someone who loves bass and boom, then definitely you are going to love these. And when it comes to your high frequencies, which comprises of your vocals and mid tones, so those were not one of the sweet ones. But at the end, everything comes down to the purpose for which that earphones were designed. So it was designed for sports and gym. So let's say you are in a gym, you are already in a noisy environment and some kind of background music is playing in the gym. So your headset needs to have a lot of bass and boom so that it separates, or you can say isolates, your audio from the external audio. And at the end, everything comes down to price of around 999, 15% discount, effective price is 850. In that you get tons of features, like you get a Bluetooth 5.0, you get a magnetic earbud, you get a CVC 8.0 technology, and also you get a noise reduction feature with 10.5mm drivers. So I think this is a kind of option that you can definitely consider if you are looking for a wireless headset in a budget. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and do let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.